Hello guys, are you looking to turn on or off the autoplay option on Netflix? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step that how you can turn on or off the autoplay option on Netflix. So let's dive in. First, you have to open the Netflix app on your phone. And now, you simply have to click My Netflix on the bottom right corner. And it's going to bring you to this page. On this page, you'll see these three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Simply click these lines. And now it's going to pop up with this menu. In this menu, choose Manage Profiles on the top. And now it's going to bring you to this page. On this page, choose your profile. And once you're on your profile, you can manage it now. You'll see this option with Autoplay Next Episode here. You simply have to toggle it on or off as you desire by simply clicking this icon over here. You can see. And that's how you turn on or off the autoplay option on Netflix. Once you're done, simply click Done on the top right corner. And that's how you turn on or off the autoplay option on Netflix.